27th, opening day of the 4th season here in Wisconsin. I got in here this morning on a piece that I don't know much about. Didn't hear a single gobble. I finally heard a couple gobbles. The landowner says they hang out in this field occasionally, so I figured I'd give it a shot. I guess we'll have to see what happens. It's gonna get warm today, like 70, low 70s. So that could be tough to find birds in the middle of the day. Just gonna have to keep trying, I guess.
The morning sit was a bust. All I saw was a hen right behind me. Didn't get much footage of that. Dad and I are out at a different place now. It's just after 4, if I recall. It's like mid-70s, so it's pretty warm. We're going to get in here and see if we can't see anything. Obviously, try to shoot something. But if anything, at least learn if they roost in the area. And if that is the case, we don't manage to fill a tag, we might just be back here tomorrow. So, see what happens. Currently just after 7 on May 9th. That little clip there is my dad's bird he got. We got in here this morning, I didn't get much footage. We watched him go to bed last night actually. Group of like 10 birds. They ended up working down the backside of what we figured the roost was, and we almost got up and made a move on them. But then as we were getting up, we heard a gobble real close. Well, then it wasn't long, and I could hear Tom spitting and drumming. So then that was followed by the video, of course. So he's got one down. Yesterday, we were at this same property, and Dad and I made a successful spot and stock on a lone tom and a hen. There's no footage of that due to him running the Reaper and I behind the gun. So that one's not on video. I can throw some pictures in. That was an eventful one. My bird was probably like 25 yards. His was 30 max. So been pretty close shots, but yeah, there's a deer. We both have tags now for another zone, so we're gonna head home, take care of this bird, grab the last of our stuff, and head up to turkey camp, actually, where we took the boys for the youth hunt, and see if we can't get some redemption there. So keep you guys up to date. counting. This is blood running down the hill. He came up, I saw his head, because I couldn't tell he was going to come up. And then I saw like this, just beak it up, and he turned to go the other way. So I just shot it like just his head, really used his head. She ain't gonna touch me, I can see some spaz out. And that fills all of my tags leading up till now. Unfortunately, it's just probably like the only one that has any footage of my bird. Usually because I'm behind the camera, but this time Bailey is behind the camera. Appreciate it. I know the shot itself was probably not on. It could have been tough maybe, but times are tough.